All right, so I assume you're going to want to play some music while you're here at the House of Yes. And in that regard, we've definitely got you covered. The house is outfitted with a complete music system with speakers throughout the house. And you can use any smart device that you have and any music streaming service that you prefer to use to stream to these various zones throughout the house. And so now we'll show you how to do that. Okay, the house is outfitted with a music system and speakers throughout the house. All you need to do to access and play music is to have your personal device. It needs to be logged into our Wi-Fi network here at the House of Yes, and then you should be able to stream to various speakers throughout the house. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how we do that here. I'm going to come over to my smart device. I'm going to go ahead and launch. This is an iPhone and I tend to use Apple Music. I'm going to fire up Apple Music. And so here I've got my music, and on Apple Music there's a little icon here that I can select. It'll bring up all the various Bluetooth zones to stream to. So you can see here we're going to go to the main floor or the second floor. You'll want to ignore these ones that say TV on them and just use the ones that have speakers next to them. Okay? So simply select where you want to play the music, and then come back to your screen and you can just hit play, and you should hear some music come on. And here I've got volume controls in that app that will control the music, got volume up and down, and there you go.